today's video, we're going to be showing you how to change the battery on your LaGard E-Lock. And when you know you should change your batteries, it'll give you a few extra beeps when you unlock it or when you try to type in your combo. That means your battery is running low, so you should probably change it as soon as possible. So right now we'll type in our combo, unlock it, and those extra beeps right there, that means our battery is running low. So to change it, we're just gonna pop this up, and it's on 2 set screws right there. The battery's right in here, so we're just gonna pull this guy out, pop it off like so. We'll grab our new battery, pop this one on, like so. We'll slide it back into its spot, and then there's 2 slits right here to slide onto these screws. We'll just slide it on, push it back down, and then we'll try out our new battery. So we're locked and no extra beeps, so that means we're all good to go. Thanks for watching.
Check the links in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified when we drop new helpful videos. Thanks for watching.